So you might be trying to go through and figure out how to use that new RCS messaging encrypted feature on your iPhone. Now it's a really cool feature. I'm really happy about it. Now it is brought in inside of iOS 26.5. So to first start off with, you have to go through and make your way over to iOS 26.5. So make your way over to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update, and all you're going to want to do here is update your iPhone. That is going to be one of the very first things I recommend doing that can probably end up addressing and fixing this problem. Now, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and navigate to your apps and messages and scroll down and tap on apps. So inside of your particular iPhone settings here, scroll down to apps right over here, then scroll down over to messages. So come right inside of that messages panel right over here. And then what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and scroll down, and you just want to make sure that RCS messages are enabled. So there should be a little option somewhere around here that does show RCS messages. So what you're going to want to do is just go through, find that RCS messages option, and go through and enable it. If you don't see it, that means your carrier doesn't support it. Now after that, all you're going to have to do here is just make your way over into that particular, page or that, text message that you wanted to go and send somebody. And then you'll be able to go through and actually send out those messages, and it will already be automatically encrypted. It will already be automatically RCS messaged, and that is a very good thing you can basically do there. So that's all that it requires, and that's essentially all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.